Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Freshworks CRM to automate support triage step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in Freshworks CRM. Press the Enter key to navigate to the website. Once the homepage loads, look for a prominent button that says Get Started or Sign Up. Click on this button to initiate the registration process. You will then be prompted to enter your details. Fill in your name, email address, and create a password. After filling in your information, click the Sign Up or Get Started Free button. Check your email for a verification message from Freshworks. Open the email and click on the verification link to activate your account. You will be redirected back to the Freshworks CRM website. Log in using your newly created credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the Settings gear icon, usually located in the bottom left corner. Click on Settings to access the configuration options. In the Settings menu, find the Integrations tab. Click on Integrations to explore different available options. Locate the support triage tools for related automation features. Select the ones that best suit your team's needs. Follow the prompts to enable and configure these integrations. You may need to provide API keys or other credentials based on the selected integrations. Once everything is set up, go back to the dashboard. Begin integrating your support channels, such as email and chat, into Freshworks CRM. Test the setup by creating a few sample support tickets. Monitor how Freshworks CRM automates the triage process for these tickets. Adjust any settings as necessary to optimize the automation. Regularly review the insights provided by the CRM dashboard to assess performance. This will help you streamline support operations further. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.